Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix people nearby problem in Telegram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and update Telegram. Then you need to go into the settings, and in settings you need to go into the app management, app list, and go into the Telegram and click on storage and cache and clear cache and our storage, and allow all permissions from here, especially the location permission. Okay, once you done that, you need to go back and you need to restart your smartphone, and after that you need to open Telegram, and then you need to go onto three bars, click on people nearby and click on start sharing. So it will take few seconds to find. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.